Welcome to Revelana. This is a quick overview of our website builder and also the fact that our Revelana system works beautifully with WordPress, and we highly recommend WordPress websites, especially if you're going to be doing your organic and or your paid marketing with us. So I wanted to just show you, this is an example of one of the Revelana websites. We also did the branding for Prolo Healing. This is Prolo Healing is Dr. Mian's Med Spa. And he also is a neurologist that heads up another organization called Neuro Wellness. We also helped him with that branding as well, with the whole branding kit and stuff. But this shows you an example of the website we designed. All we got is really all of the links. It's a conglomeration of like the best places you want to send people, and then how to make an appointment, your referral reward program, all that good stuff. These sites we made specifically for medical, for med spa, for aesthetics practices, for natural medicine practices. Here's their Emerald Laser. It's a body contouring device. This is very typical of how we would be presenting your services as well. And then as you notice too, there is a web chat. And the web chat's very smart. It's very robust. You can text back and forth. No one's chained to chat with our Revelana system. You can email them. You can text them. They can text you back. It can also send them automations. It can send you a reminder to follow up with them. All kinds of things. And then this is very typical of the specials. We're used to working in this industry, so we're very astute when it comes to what you want to offer to get the attention of your audience or get them back in. This is a smart phone number. So this is also one of those things that you can text back if you miss a call. All kinds of really interesting automations can come into play, so you're never missing anything and people always feel loved. And then, of course, we have our Contact Us. We've got a really, really robust system for appointment booking, and I'll show you that. But that's this is Neuro Wellness. This is the medical side. So what we did is we tied in his Prolo Healing Med Spa. They're both in the same location, but we have two completely separate marketing programs, lead generation programs, all kinds of ways of keeping them very, very busy, and everyone, their patients and referrals, everyone feeling very, very loved. And then we've got Tox Med Spa. We also designed this logo, and we love doing branding and helping you even figure out your story, your voice, your vibe, everything. So we have a huge database of images that are very, very authentic. If you don't have your own, and everyone's site is different. So you'll see we've got all of these things, events and private groups. This is a traveling nurse, so it's just a little different. Instead of book an appointment, this is really the first ones I showed you. They just like getting phone calls. They don't even like getting the appointments booked online. So we accommodate that. And then you scroll down, you can see it has a completely different look and feel than what you just saw. And then it's like we create that whole mystique of where is she? Where is Deborah, the lip nurse this month? So that's another one. Now I want to show you too. So if you go to book on her calendar, this is what it looks like. Choose your treatment, click and book. It's easy. So we have treatments and consult. It says choose a treatment or a free consult. So these are the things that she's offering as far as treatments go. You can say it says treatment. It's super easy to just click and book. You just click a day, click a time, and get on their calendar, right? Another thing that you'll notice is, I can't do that with this one page. So I just wanted to show you that you can also book a free consult. So this is a little different. It's going to book less time than someone coming in for a treatment. And it's just treated differently in the back end. They're put into different nurtures. So after their consult, they're going to get loved, get them to book their treatment, all kinds of things. There's pop-ups, as you see. all kinds of things. And so when you go to, I'm going to show you, we also, of course, designed Luology's branding and you can see it's animated, it moves, right? And we've got beautifully injected. We did this branding. It has a completely different look and feel. It's got the same kind of really robust back end that's super smart. So these are not dumb websites. And again, our websites work incredibly well with Revelana works incredibly well with WordPress websites. Here's another one, Alternative Body Solutions. We also did their branding and built this website. All the articulations we write, everything we designed, and there is a special flow. We just know what works. We also, with all of your website building, you get mentor sessions with us. We make sure that we're on the same page and that we're also helping you relax so you're not crying while you're setting up your whole med spa or your aesthetics practice, whatever it might be. I just quickly wanted to show you the back end. These are individual pages. So you can have a WordPress website. You can have forms embedded in your WordPress website that bring people back to these really robust kind of automations that are nurtures. And then you can see we embed the chat widget and that comes back to the system. We've got sales funnels that are also, it's warning me so I'm not stupid and leave something that I didn't save, but it's got sales funnels that can even track referrals and all kinds of things. So I think that's enough. I just wanted to give you a basic overview of what we're creating and the capabilities of our team, and look forward to working with you. Thanks so much, and we appreciate you as much as you appreciate us. Thanks so much. Bye.